Next steps then, we have put the valve cover back on and all that pair valve and all that business. Put the fuel tank back on loosely, fuel pipe is attached. We did clean out this little fuel filter thing here. There's a little 10mm head on that, and you can unwind that, and there's like a filter gauze in there that you can clean, so we did that, we've put that back. I think we're all back together, so we're going to put some fuel in, batteries on, we'll see if she'll start. Here's our second attempt then at starting this with the valve clearances done and the fresh fuel, carburetor's been cleaned, valve clearance is done, all back together, battery charged, fingers crossed. Go for it.
Come on, Pig. Okay, still probably get a bit of fuel going. I'll try another bash. Well, it does sound a whole lot nicer.
It does sound a whole lot nicer. Do you think that's probably because the valve clearances were a mile out? Yeah, it does sound much smoother already. I think we just need to get some fuel through the system. I mean, it is kind of wanting to run, so we'll carry on doing that and we'll get back to you. She's running really nicely, isn't she, Kieran?
Pretty sweet.
So the valve clearances, I think, was the problem there. They were a country mile out. Now we fixed them and put some fresh fuel in. She seems quite happy. The idler was a little bit low. We can't really properly adjust that until it's been for a good long run, but we did just adjust it slightly here because she was sitting quite low down, and I think we just needed a little bit more on the idle. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I think that engine is officially running. There's no choke on there. She's just sitting on her own, ticking over quite nicely. So now we know that's okay, now we know the engine's working fine, and we're all happy with that. We need to make a decision about what comes next, but for now, she is running.
As we prepare for our initial launch. It's been good knowing you, John.
Ooh, solidly into gear.
So checking that everything engages.
The biting point's quite high.
It works! We have power and it engages the gearbox. You can see his quality U-turn skills down the driveway. It's a 17-point turn. Well, we've got a lot of runway to use, so you know, get it up to 5th. Back off!
Well, that's first and second. The biting point's really high, but
that's within our capabilities.
it is working, so.
Ace.
Well, it's only fair that we both get a go, so off you go, big man.
Okay. Safety first. Got me
Got your crash hat on.
furs.
Kevlar lined carbon fibre trapper hat. Here he goes.
Just not the room, Captain.
There's no room. Oh, he's got his L plates on, like the old days. What do you reckon?
Got a little bit of tug on there.
She's got a bit of poke, hasn't she?
Yeah, some adjustment on that clutch lever, like you say.
Yeah. More work to be done, but 2 runs.
Woohoo!